For decades, Venezuela was spoken about in past tense, as if its story had already ended. But the future never truly left. By 2040, the country begins writing a new chapter, quieter, steadier, and intentional. Cities no longer rush to prove themselves. Streets feel designed for people, not pressure. Progress arrives calmly, not loudly. This direction is not about erasing history. It is about learning, adjusting, and choosing what comes next. In the future, daily life in Venezuela feels slower, but stronger. Families rebuild routines around stability rather than survival. Neighborhoods grow around trust, not fear. Education becomes a bridge instead of a barrier. Young minds prepare not just for jobs, but for responsibility. Healthcare and community services quietly support people in the background. Society works not because it is perfect, but because it finally works together. Technology does not dominate the future of Venezuela. It blends into it. Smart systems assist rather than replace human decision-making. Transportation flows smoothly, energy feels clean and balanced, and digital services remove friction from daily tasks. The most powerful change is invisible. Technology stops being a headline and becomes a helper, quietly enabling people to focus on life instead of systems. By the 2040s, Venezuela's economy stops being defined by crisis and starts being measured by consistency. Trade routes reopen with responsibility, not dependency. Natural resources are managed with restraint rather than urgency. Value replaces volume. On the global stage, Venezuela is no longer explained, defended, or doubted. It is simply present, participating, and respected as a nation that learned from its past. Looking toward 2050, Venezuela's future feels mature rather than ambitious. Cities and landscapes exist in balance, not competition. People move with quiet confidence, knowing progress does not need applause. Growth continues without spectacle. This vision is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming stable, grounded, and prepared. Venezuela's future is not loud, but it is lasting.